The rationale for doing this is that patients that you enter into randomised clinical trials are a rather selected population of patients. They have to fulfil all the entry criteria for the trial, and they also, when you screen a patient for a trial, it can take sometimes a month or 6 weeks from when they sign consent to when they start treatment within the trial, due to all the things that you have to go through to develop, to get the patient eligible for the trial. What that means is that the results of these clinical trials are not always applicable to the real world situation. And what we want to know, once drugs become licensed and we can use them freely within the NHS, what sort of results we're getting in real time populations of patients. To extract those data manually from patient case record forms is extremely time consuming. And so we had the idea that maybe we could get some information from using the electronic prescribing systems, which are also linked to other databases that will record when patients die, when they progress, what other things that are used in the treatment, so when they get complications and things. So we did a pilot study to see if that was feasible. So a group of us extracted data manually from patients, and then the statisticians tried to do the same thing remotely using the chemotherapy prescribing system. And there was actually quite a high degree of concordance between the two sets of data. So we're now looking at taking that further and doing it on a larger scale so that we can get some information about real-world outcomes for patients with these new treatments.